Dear Aquarius, this is your cosmic moment. On November 2nd, 2025, the supermoon rises not just above you, but for you. Its energy carries the rare vibration of alignment, destiny, and divine awakening. This isn't an ordinary moon, it's a celestial key, one that unlocks 3 hidden doors in your life: success, love, and destiny. For weeks, maybe months, you've felt it, that quiet tension in your spirit, the sense that something big is approaching. Maybe you've seen repeating numbers, vivid dreams, or felt sudden waves of emotion you couldn't explain. None of that is random. The universe has been preparing you for this exact moment. This supermoon doesn't just light up the night sky, it illuminates you. Your aura glows brighter, your intuition sharpens, and your purpose starts to whisper louder. If you've been questioning your path, doubting your strength, or wondering when your breakthrough will arrive, take this as your confirmation. It's happening now. Because when Aquarius meets the supermoon, the universe doesn't test you, it awakens you. This cosmic light calls you to release what no longer aligns and to step into your next chapter with confidence, clarity, and courage. The past months may have felt like endings, but they were really initiations, the universe guiding you to the exact vibration needed for your expansion. You are not behind, you are not lost, you are simply being rewired for something bigger. So take a deep breath, feel this moment, let the lunar energy wash through your mind, heart, and spirit. Because what's about to unfold isn't coincidence, it's cosmic choreography. The supermoon is here to reveal what was once hidden, to open what was once locked, and to remind you that every challenge was simply preparing you for your rise. Stay with me, Aquarius, because in the next few moments, we'll uncover the 3 hidden doors this supermoon is unlocking for you, and how each one will rewrite your destiny. The November 2nd supermoon falls in a powerful alignment that amplifies intuition, independence, and revelation, all core energies of Aquarius. You, dear water bearer, are the visionary, the one who sees the world not as it is, but as it could be. This moon activates your inner rebel, the part of you that refuses to live an ordinary story. You'll feel a surge of clarity, a realization that the old patterns, old fears, and old attachments can no longer hold you. Under this supermoon, your crown chakra and heart chakra awaken together, meaning your mind and your emotions will finally work in harmony. It's time to stop overthinking and start believing. Your thoughts create your timeline, Aquarius, and this moon says, your time is now. Hidden door number 1, the door of success. The first hidden door this powerful supermoon unlocks for you, Aquarius, is the door of success, but not success as the world defines it. See, for you, success has never been about fitting into someone else's mold. You're not here to climb their ladder. You're here to build your own tower of light. Your brilliance lies in originality, in ideas that challenge norms and open minds. This supermoon energy is your signal, the cosmic green light you've been waiting for. That project you've been thinking about starting, that leap of faith you've been holding back on. This is your moment to move. Over the next 21 days, the universe begins to rearrange things in your favor. Emails show up, collaborations click, conversations shift. Doors that once felt sealed shut suddenly open with ease, because you're finally aligned with your purpose frequency. This energy doesn't demand hustle, it asks for belief. Believe that your ideas are worthy. Believe that your timing is divine. Believe that what's meant for you won't miss you. Remember, Aquarius, You are the innovator, the visionary, the one who turns imagination into reality. The world doesn't need another follower. It needs your perspective, your courage, your spark. So when opportunities appear, and they will, don't second guess them. Step forward boldly. The universe rewards movement, not hesitation. Manifestation ritual for success. Tonight, write down your top 3 goals, the ones that light you up, on a clean sheet of paper. Place it under the moonlight and say aloud, I am ready to receive the success aligned with my purpose. Then, let go. Don't worry about how or when, just trust. Because when an Aquarius dreams under a supermoon, those dreams don't stay in the sky. They find a way to manifest right here in the real world. This is your door, your signal, your start. The universe isn't saying wait anymore. It's saying go. Hidden door number 2, the door of love. Aquarius. Love has never been ordinary for you. You crave connection that speaks to your soul, not control that cages your spirit. You fall in love with minds, with energy, with authenticity. And under this November supermoon, your heart frequency rises into a higher vibration, one that calls in true alignment, not attachment. This moon activates your Venus and Uranus energies, creating a powerful mix of passion and awakening. You're being magnetically pulled toward the love that matches your evolution. If you're single, get ready. Someone from your soul path may appear out of nowhere. Not a random encounter, but a divinely timed meeting. They'll feel familiar, like you've known them across lifetimes. This won't be a karmic tug of war. It will be a conscious, balanced connection that reflects your growth and truth. And if you're already in a relationship, the supermoon softens the emotional walls that may have built up over time. Where there was distance, there will now be understanding. Old arguments lose their power, and love begins to speak the language of empathy again. You'll remember why you chose each other, and rediscover the magic that first drew you in. But here's the deeper awakening. Before love finds you, you must rediscover your own frequency. This supermoon asks, do you love yourself enough to stop accepting half-hearted energy? Because real love doesn't enter through loneliness. It enters through wholeness. When you start honoring your own worth, the universe mirrors that energy right back to you through the right person, the right moment, the right alignment. Supermoon ritual for love. Before you sleep tonight, write these words. I am open to divine love that mirrors my highest self. Place it under your pillow until the next full moon. Each night as you rest, that intention vibrates through your aura, attracting connection that's pure, patient, and powerful. Remember, Aquarius, love isn't something you chase. It's something you become. And once you embody love, the universe can't help but send it back to you, multiplied. Hidden door number 3. The door of destiny and spiritual awakening. The third and final door this supermoon unlocks isn't about what you achieve. It's about who you become. It's the moment your soul steps forward and says, I'm ready. This supermoon acts as a cosmic portal, sending waves of divine downloads and intuitive clarity. You may start noticing déjà vu moments, repeating numbers like 111, 222, 555, or dreams that feel too vivid to ignore. These aren't coincidences, Aquarius. They're activation codes from your spirit guides, gentle confirmations that you're on the right path. For you, this is a time of spiritual awakening, a deep remembering of your power, purpose, and connection to something greater than yourself. Your intuition is becoming your most trusted compass. What once felt confusing will begin to make sense. You'll pick up on energy before words are spoken, and your awareness will expand beyond logic into pure knowing. You might notice that certain people, habits, or environments no longer resonate. That's not loss, it's alignment. The universe is clearing space for higher frequencies so you can rise into the version of yourself that was always meant to emerge. This is your rebirth moment, the shift from fear to freedom, from confusion to clarity, and from loneliness to spiritual connection. You're not walking alone anymore. Your angels, ancestors, and cosmic allies are walking with you, guiding every step toward your divine purpose. As you step through this third door, trust that everything you've experienced, every challenge, every delay, every heartbreak, was preparing you for this awakening. It's not the end of a chapter. It's the beginning of your true story. Affirmation. Tonight, under the glow of the supermoon, whisper these words: I am ready to walk through the door of destiny with courage, peace, and purpose. Let that vibration settle into your heart, because this isn't just a lunar shift, it's a soul evolution. Aquarius, your destiny isn't arriving someday in the future. It's unfolding right now under this sacred supermoon light. This November 2nd supermoon forms a trine with Jupiter, the planet of luck, and a sextile with Pluto, the planet of transformation. This means your expansion and rebirth are cosmically supported. You may experience sudden career recognition, emotional breakthroughs, or even relocation opportunities. Old cycles end so that new ones can begin. But remember, don't chase, attract. Your vibration is your invitation to miracles. The more aligned you are with gratitude, the faster blessings flow your way. Energy shift. What you'll feel between November 2nd and 5th. During this 11/2 to 11/5 portal, Aquarius will feel sudden emotional clarity, like a fog finally lifting. A burst of confidence, especially in communication and leadership. Heart openings, forgiveness, release, and deep empathy. Heightened intuition, prophetic dreams, or energy sensitivity. If your energy feels intense or unstable, ground yourself through water, meditation, or journaling. Remember, transformation is not chaos, it's creation in motion. Universe has been preparing you. Everything that felt delayed or denied wasn't punishment, it was protection. The universe was aligning the right people, timing, and paths behind the scenes. Now, under this supermoon, those hidden alignments rise to the surface. This is your reward phase. The test is over. Repeat this daily. I trust the divine timing of my life. I release control and open to miracles. What belongs to me will never miss me. Aquarius, take a deep breath and let these words land in your heart. You are not here to fit in. You are here to awaken the world through your originality, your ideas, and your heart's unmatched brilliance. This supermoon was never random. It's the activation of your soul contract, the moment when the universe finally says, now. It's time for Aquarius to rise. The 3 hidden doors, success, love, and destiny, don't open because you chase them. They open because you finally believe you are worthy to walk through them. And Aquarius, that belief changes everything. You're stepping into your highest timeline now, a version of your life where your authenticity becomes your superpower, your love becomes your protection, and your purpose becomes your prosperity. Every challenge you faced until now wasn't a setback. It was a sacred setup. The heartbreaks, the delays, the detours, All of it was designed to polish your soul so that your light could shine even brighter. The universe is no longer testing your patience. It's trusting your potential. It's handing you the keys to everything you once thought was impossible. This is your green light. This is your arrival moment. No more waiting for permission to be yourself. No more dimming your magic to make others comfortable. The supermoon whispers softly, "You are ready. The path ahead is blessed, and the world is waiting for your light." So step forward, Aquarius, not with fear, but with faith. Because when you walk in your truth, the universe walks beside you. When you follow your heart, the universe opens doors that logic could never imagine. And remember, you are the innovator, the dreamer, the water bearer. You carry the energy of transformation, of hope, of freedom. You don't follow the trend, you start it. You don't fit into the world, you rebuild it. So tonight, as the supermoon glows above you, whisper this to yourself: I am aligned. I am powerful. I am ready for my highest destiny. Then look up at that glowing moon and know it's shining for you. Your cosmic call to action. If this message resonated with your heart, drop a moon in the comments and claim your blessings. Let me know which door, success, love, or destiny you feel opening for you first. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our cosmic family. Because every week we dive deeper into your astrology, your energy, and your evolution. Aquarius, your story isn't just beginning, it's awakening. The universe is not testing you anymore. It's trusting you. So shine. The world is ready for your light, moon and star.